Battery factories don't want you to know about this. Hey guys, you've probably been through this before. When you need to use some battery-powered device, like the TV remote, video game, or radio controller, but when you try to turn it on, you realize the battery is dead. Right now I need to use the scale, but these batteries are not working anymore. I already checked it here and I don't have any spare batteries. I only have these smaller ones, and obviously I can't use them here. They are too small, right? And maybe this happens on a Sunday or holiday and you just can buy new batteries. And that really sucks, right? You just can use the device. So now I'm gonna share a really cool tip with you guys, so you can use these alkaline batteries in devices like this one. And also you won't spend anything for this. Let's go. So guys, here's what happens. Usually one of the batteries dies first. So here's the thing. Take one of these regular batteries and put in the device. Then take the alkaline battery, which is still charged, and put in the device as usual. But since it's smaller, obviously there will be a gap here. And of course your device won't work. So here's what you need. Aluminum foil. That's right, folks. So go ahead and tear off a piece of aluminum foil. Then shape into a small ball, big enough to fill the gap. Go ahead and crumple it really well. Then take the device and place the aluminum foil ball right here. See how it fits in nicely? And it stays in place? That's exactly what we need, okay? And look, our device is working now. That's amazing. See? Pretty cool, right? And guys, there's no trick here. Here's the regular battery. I'll remove the little ball and it will stop working, right? And if it doesn't work, you can still try with the other battery. As I mentioned before, one of them dies first. But if it still doesn't work with either of them, you can also use two alkaline batteries. That's right. First, go ahead and position them as usual. But in this case, you just need a bigger ball of aluminum foil, since the space to fill here is larger. So let's place it here, secure it nicely, and there you have it. Our device is working perfectly with the two alkaline batteries. And that's pretty cool, guys. It's a very simple tip, but many people don't know about it. So if you have alkaline batteries, you can also use them in devices that normally require these larger batteries. Just use aluminum foil, alright?